Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the concrete reason your page was unpublished. Open page quality and read the violation code, not just the headline. Make sure you are signed in with an admin account and that your business manager connection and identity verification are visible. Once done, capture screenshots, timestamps, and any admin notifications. These are the core evidence you will reference in appeals and fixes. Keep a short note of recent posts, ad activity, and any policy sections cited to guide your next corrective actions. Next, address the listed violations methodically. Remove or edit offending posts, ads, and links while documenting each change with screenshots and timestamps. Update your About info, contact details, and any verification assets so your page clearly represents the real entity. Gather supporting documents such as a government ID, business registration, and copyright proof if relevant. Scan them cleanly. Once this cleanup is complete, draft a concise appeal message that explains what you fixed, why it complies now, and reference the attached evidence. Finally, submit the appeal using the platform's official form. Attach the before/after screenshots, documents, and a short explanation of corrective steps. After submission, monitor your email, page support inbox, and business manager messages closely. Respond promptly to any request for more info. If the appeal is denied, don't panic. Review the denial reason, add clarifying evidence, and resubmit. If repeated denials occur, escalate through chat support or partner channels and use a clear timeline of actions to make the case.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.